Here's how to download Glorious Model O software. Open your browser and search Google for Glorious Model O software. Click through to the Legacy Software page on the official gloriousgaming.com website. Confirm the URL before proceeding. You will see an option for Glorious Core V1, but this is not compatible with the Model O, so skip it. Scroll down further until you find Model O and Model D Wired listed separately. Then click Model O Wired Software to begin the download. Once downloaded, go to your Downloads folder, right-click the zip file, select Extract All, and click Extract. Open the extracted folder, not the original zip, and you will see 3 documents inside. Open the README file first, since it explains an important step. You must install the firmware update located in the O1 firmware update folder before running the main software. Double-click to install that firmware update following the instructions provided. Then go back and install the main software the same way. All necessary files and steps are clearly laid out inside that README document. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.